are hiking in Honolulu. So we're in some trails. We'll see how this goes. We're in a group with some family members and some friends of the family members. So we'll see how this goes. Our hiking. This is pretty muddy up in here. It seems like we're in a freaking jungle. Bamboo everywhere. Hopefully we survive this, you guys. If not, look for us. So we're here in Honolulu. We made it to the waterfall. And some falls, but I don't want them to say names. But we did it, a challenge. But now the challenge is going to be getting down the hike, okay? So we'll see how that goes. But it's beautiful. It's all worth it. Look at the waterfall. Let me show you. Just so beautiful. We made it through the hike, you guys. We made it. But really nice. Okay, so our review for the Lulumahu Falls. Will you do this hike again?
Yes.
Yes, me it's like a maybe because it's all muddy going up here. But it is worth it if you want to take pictures on the waterfall. What do you rate it?
I rated a 9.
A 9. I rated like an 8. Just because of that's muddy coming up here, especially if it's raining. So you just have to be safe and really slippery. But it's worth it because